guys. Happy Friday. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. I want to welcome all my new subscribers who came in from Christmas and July Fairies 21. Welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia. I am your hostess at YOUNG40MOM CRAFTS. I will leave the links below to all of my venues, from my YouTube channel to my Etsy shop to my Facebook page to my Instagram. I have a TikTok, but I'm not really doing much on it. I don't know how I want to address that one. But here on this channel, we talk about, as you noticed in the intro, life, crafts, and nutrition. I give nutritional facts that I have learned. I share cooking tips, recipes. I am a crocheter, cross stitcher, and dabble in everything else in between. Every month, I do 2 to 3 giveaways because I am destashing. I am not sponsored. I am not monetized. And so yeah, so I wasn't going to make this video about crafting because I'd like to actually have a conversation with you today, like I do on occasion when we ride in the car together. And those of you who are new who don't know, and welcome back my regular subscribers, thank you very much for joining me. I do have occasion the people that have gotten closer to me through my comments. You have Celeste and April and Tony and Wendy and Olive. Olive, I haven't heard from you in a while. Olive emails me because for some reason it won't let her comment on my channel. Anyway, and then there's Crystal and Rebecca and so many more. And if I did not say your name, please do not be offended or hurt. It's just that so many of you really care that it's hard for me to keep up sometimes. Maribel and yeah, Joni. Anyway, so I wanted to let you crafters know before I get into the regular chit chat that the crochet giveaway is still going on. I am having the drawing this Saturday night, which will be tomorrow night. And also the cross stitch giveaway is going on. It's that cute little kitty cat complete counted cross stitch kit on the 18 count. That drawing is going to be next Saturday night. So, and then since we have Christmas and July Fairies going on, I don't want to confuse anybody, so I will not be doing another crochet giveaway for the month of July. I don't want to take away from that. It looks like I've already hit over 1,500 subscribers, which was what I wanted to do. I've wanted to do for over a year now, and since I have, I'll be doing in the month of August, for the month of my birthday, I'll be doing a special substantially larger giveaway in the month of August. Did I say April? I'm in August, since August is my birthday month. So just a heads up for you guys on that. And let's see, what else do I need to update you on? Oh, I have kitty cat prints all over the hood of my car. Boo Boo Kitty likes to lay on my car. When she escapes the house, she likes to lay on the hood of my car. I don't know why. I don't know if it's cooler up there. Of course, if she stayed in the house, it'd be much cooler there. I know it's 69 degrees this morning, but it rained last night. The humidity here is ridiculous. It's like, I know Washington, up north in you know, in Vancouver and Portland area. I don't know about the Seattle area. I'm sure it's bad up there too. They had a record high of 113 the other day, but their humidity is really low. I think somebody said it was like 18%, something like that. So they feel the heat, but when we have 113 degrees, our humidity is like 60 to 70%. It just weighs heavy. So our 113 degrees feels like 140 or 150. It's really bad. So my point was, my car says it's 71. It was 69, and now we're close and getting closer in town. It's 71 degrees, but it feels like 85 because it's so muggy. So I was trying to explain to people when I lived in Washington the difference between the feel of the weather, because for those of you who don't know, I am in Tennessee. I am on the south side of Tennessee. I live in between Chattanooga and Knoxville, which is great because I have access to everything that I could possibly need except a beach. I have everything. I'm very, very blessed to be in this area. It's affordable housing. It's, of course, now affordable housing is an understatement right now, because I am fortunate because I've lived in my current location. I rent a house in the country. I am 15 minutes from one town and 15 minutes from the other, so it doesn't take me long at all if I need to go get something. And of course, you guys know there's a Dollar General in just about every corner. So there's like a Dollar General in between both places before I get to the towns. Anyway, I was going somewhere with this, with the weather. I was telling people that the rain, it's like, oh, doesn't it rain all the time up there? Yes, it does. Seattle more so than the Tacoma area, but the rain is not like the rain here. It is not even close to like the rain here. What's going on with our farmers markets? Nobody's opened up this year. I miss that. I miss the farmers markets. We had one in Charleston on that side. That was like 5 seconds from the house, and then we had one here on the north side of Cleveland on the way to work. And it doesn't look like there's anything out there. I don't know what's going on. And then if you go down Paul Heff Parkway, there's a little one there, but that produce is shipped in from Georgia and Florida. I like to purchase from local growers. Now that's a local state. But the growers that are in Charleston and the growers that are here in the North Cleveland area, they're all local farmers. They're people who have extra produce, who set up their little stands and sell their produce from in town to get a little bit of extra money. Oh my goodness. So I missed that. I got 9 minutes. I'm going to have time to stop and get me a coffee. There's a little convenience store at the end of this road before you get to my office that has a Folgers machine. And I don't know if it's I'm pretty sure it's a fresh brew. It tastes fresh. It's really good. And I have acquired a taste for black coffee. And for those of you who don't know, I am whole food plant-based for the most part. I try to comply with whole food plant-based. Sometimes I steer away and I use vegan butter, or I'll use oil, or I'll use, and the whole point of being whole food plant-based is to eat natural foods that come from the ground, so that you can get all your vitamins, nutrients, protein, everything that you could possibly need, except for your B12. And the only reason why you get B12 from eating beef or chicken is because, number one, it's injected in them, but number two, B12 is not actually it is a mineral that comes from the ground, and most of your local beef and chickens do not get to roam the grounds. They are packed in meat factories. But anyway, so yeah, that's the only reason why that you would take a supplement like that, because it's a mineral that because the grounds have been so depleted, you can't really get it. It's in the soil. It's in the actual soil. So it's good to take that because it's good for your, let's see, your B12. Number one, it gives you energy, but it's good for your heart. All right, I have 7 minutes. I'm going to have to pause you because I'm going to go get my coffee. Yeah. Oh, looks like Michaela's here. Coffee, coffee, coffee. I'll be back. All right, so I am back. I got my Go Juice. I don't know why I call it Go Juice. I know it's highly caffeinated, but I don't get the coffee for the caffeine. Although that is a perk. If I have too much, I get jittery. But I drink coffee for the taste, because if I can find a decent decaf, as long as it tastes good, I'll drink it. But in fact, and here's some funny things that you find out when you go whole food plant-based. You find out about ingredients and stuff, and you want to stay away from processed foods. But I found out that decaffeinated is not 100% decaffeinated. Now, they try to take the caffeine out of it. But it's not 100% decaffeinated. There is traces, but they call it decaffeinated. Your non-dairy creamers, it is not non-dairy. Is that not hilarious? It says non-dairy, but it still has milk solids in it. If you read the back, it will say contains milk ingredients, or it contains milk, or if you read the ingredients, it flat out tells you that it's got certain ingredients. It's got lactose in it, which comes from milk, unless otherwise stated. It says it has, is it carotene? No, not carotene. There's another chemical compound that's found in milk that they put into the non-dairy. So don't let it deceive you. And non-dairy creamer, when it gets cold, it clumps and it's nasty. So I've just acquired a taste, because for a while there, I always did milk and sugar. Then I had to come back on my sugar, and I started doing milk and or creamer. I always did flavored creamers. Or I did I can't think. I'm at work and I'm ready to go in. If I don't do flavored creamers, I do crap. Splenda. I would do Splenda. So anyway, so if I didn't do Splenda, so then I backed away from that when I went whole food plant-based, because I'm diabetic. So I just went black, and I like the flavor of the black. So I don't know, I just really enjoy it. So yeah, I gotta go into work, and I will be back to talk to you guys more later this afternoon. Hey guys, so I wanted to finish up the video that I started yesterday so that I could get this up to just remind you guys, Christmas in July Fairies has already started. I can't leave the hashtag, I can't put the hashtag sign in the description box, but I can put it without the hashtag. But make sure if you do a search that it's, I think I'll put it right here somewhere, hashtag Christmas in July Fairies 21. Make sure you go join. On mine, if you'll go look at my my video tab on my channel, you'll find it there. It is hashtag Christmas in July Fairies 21. But anyway, I wanted to talk about that real quick. I will be doing the drawing for the crochet giveaway tonight. It will end. I'm going to do it. It will end at 8 o'clock tonight. So you want to make sure you do that. There are various videos that explain to you what you will be getting. It is not just the 4 skeins of yarn in the beginning, which is specialty yarns, and then some other yarns and some other stuff. But yeah, go check that out. Drawing, I'm going to do it, like I said, I'll do it at 8 o'clock tonight, Eastern Standard Time. So you want to make sure you get in on that. I will take entries up until that point. You can leave as many comments as you want, but you have to leave a comment on that video. And I will leave that link to that video down below. The cross stitch giveaway is now going on. I will have the drawing for that next Saturday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can get in on that right now. The link to that is also down below. I did not do a giveaway for the other giveaway. I will not be doing, I don't think I'm going to be doing a crochet giveaway for the month of July, since I am participating in Christmas and July fairies. Let's see, what else do I need to tell you? I think that's it. I hope my hand's not blocking. The sun's coming in, and so there's a glare on this side, and I apologize for that. I just entered a new dating app because I'm going to be dating again. I've been wanting to date for a while now, but I just haven't really taken the initiative. But a friend of mine got in on it's called Woo Plus, W-O-O-P space P-L-U-S. It's for us bigger gals. Even though I'm losing weight, I put myself as supersized. That was one of the options, but because that's how I see myself, even though I have gone from almost a 4+ to a 2X, and there are some 1X things that I can wear now, because everything is shifting and I'm getting jiggly and all that good stuff from the weight loss, and that is going whole food plant-based, eating as much as I want. My A1C has gone down since I started this journey. My A1C has gone down almost 3 whole points. I have dropped 3 medications, so yeah, so it's working for me and I'm happy. I'm going to live a longer life for my daughter, because you guys know I'm an older mom with a teenage daughter. She is still in the works of being a teenager, because she just turned 14 a couple weeks ago. Finishing up my coffee. But anyway, so I want to get this up because I am going to do the drawing later on tonight, and I also have some work, so I want to show you guys the stitch markers. Oh my gosh, that's the old thing coming in, brain fart. Stitch markers that I'm going to have for sale. I'm going to offer them to you guys through my YouTube channel first, before I put them in my shop. I will make a video, and then you'll just comment in that video, and I will go by the timestamp. First come, first serve. If they are all sold out before they get to my Etsy shop, I will probably make some more, and I will let you guys know what's going on with that. And so yeah, so good luck everybody in the drawing. Good luck in that. Maybe if I block it there. There we go. There's sun's there. Good luck in the drawing for the crochet giveaway tonight. Good luck in the drawing for the cross stitch giveaway. That's going to be drawn next week. Christmas and July fairies will be drawn on the 15th. So yeah, so go get in on that. Go get on all 3 of those. They're still going on. So yeah, I'm sorry, I'm blocking this. That looks funny. I'm blocking the sun. Yeah, I guess that's it, and I will see you guys later. Thank you for watching, participating. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like me. You like me, you really like me. Or if you're interested in seeing more content. Oh, there's my bedroom. Ramsey's asleep over here. My desk, my messy desk. Don't look, it's messy. My ring lights. Anyway, I'm gonna go. I'm rambling now. I will talk to you guys soon. Peace out.